For some reason that many of us might not understand, it seems being a celebrity makes it hard to choose and commit to one person. We all know monogamy or marriage in itself is not an easy street to walk, so it is understandable that a life that requires you to keep working to put out new material, and when you're not doing that takes you across the world, while you party virtually all the time, meeting people and sharing experiences usually makes that monogamy or marriage street something that is almost non-existent in your reality. But then, as a guy, there is a chance that those experiences you share would mean fathering a child, sometimes with the most random partner or maybe someone that has managed to be around for some time, but you guys were not just thinking going all the way just yet. Today, we will take a look at some of the guys that have kids as single fathers, which makes them official members of the Baby Daddies Club. Singer Flavour obviously has a thing for beautiful women. The 31-year-old singer has a beautiful daughter with ex-Delta soap queen Sandra Okabwe. They welcomed their daughter in September 2014. He is once again an expectant father, but this time with ex-most beautiful girl in Nigeria, Anna Banner. If he is intending to go all the way with these ladies, it is not clear, but the numbers keep counting. Maybe he would wait to get to 7.
Mwata golibe ogebwemo golibe na mama yi musilike golibe yo ni oju eleba they know my story.
A star whose name and music was everywhere, Wizkid had to switch up the narrative a bit, and he did that with a kid. Okay, just kidding, but in 2011, it was revealed that Wizkid had fathered a child with a lady who at the time was a university undergraduate, Shola Ogudu. The story was initially denied by the artist, but eventually, a kid, unlike a music career, is not going to just disappear. And Wizkid has since accepted his role as a father to young Boluwatife.
Them they pray for blessing, for better living. Kilo dale, aye ole to ye. For example,
while the band is the biggest name in the family when it comes to entertainment, younger brother K-Switch did beat him to one thing as far as we know, and that was fulfilling all requirements to join the Baby Daddies Club by having a kid outside wedlock. In 2014, the singer welcomed the baby girl with his beautiful Liberian beauty queen, Monica Sobramani. He named his beautiful daughter Rain Oluwaseunara.
I can give you this, I can give you that, I can give you.
Arguably one of the biggest names on the map today, Olamide welcoming a child naturally was new. In January of 2015, Olamide posted a photo of the newborn on Instagram with the caption, "Mercy said no, never gonna let you go, never gonna let you walk away. You don't have to be afraid, Mercy said no. Got you boy, new signee, #YBNL, Batifeori Maximiliano Adedeji." Interesting name. However, fans and music lovers did celebrate with the rapper, and even the governor of Lagos State at the time was at the naming ceremony. Nice.
It no be open eye. And if you are new in the game, make you go pay your tithes.
Orishafemi having a kid or kids might not surprise many because it is not necessarily uncommon, but the surprise for most is that the singer has 2 daughters aged 9 and 10 with 2 different baby mamas. Who would have thought? The singer revealed in an interview that while growing up in Ajagule, girlfriends got pregnant and babies were delivered. But that was just it. He has tried to be a responsible father but has no plans to marry either of their mothers. He went further to reveal that he now has a fiancée who he has been with for over 2 years and hopefully will tie the knot with this one. We say good luck, everyone.